Well guys, we're in the middle of winter, and if you want a way to keep yourself warm and safe, you're gonna need a good jacket. This is the Monty by Merlin. Part of their Explorer collection, it's a mid-length 120 ounce Hadley Stevenson Scottish silk wax cotton jacket with a fully removable 120 gram thermal liner. It also comes with 7 pieces of D3O L1 armor. That includes the elbows, shoulders, back, and chest. It is CE Class A approved as well. This means it offers protection from abrasion and impacts, but the garment is also lightweight and more comfortable to wear than a Class AA or AAA. I did replace the L1 D3O that it came with Ghost D3O in the shoulders and the elbows because those joints did feel a little stiff. I absolutely love the styling on this jacket. It's heavily inspired by retro British motorcycling and military apparel and comes in 2 classic colors, black and olive, which is what I have. I also love when you subscribe to the channel. The Monty has a ton of pockets as well. Really too many for me to name here, but it's got 2 chest pockets, 2 lower pockets, 2 hidden hand warmer pockets with magnets to keep them closed when not in use, and a fairly large pocket in the lower back. I do wish this back pocket was big enough to fit this liner in so you could put it in there when it gets hot halfway through a ride. The Monty has no shortage of snaps and adjustments to make sure you get the fit you need, including around the waist, around the wrist, at the neck, and multiple points along the arm. The Monty is extremely water resistant thanks to its waxed cotton exterior and thermal interior liner. The water resistance will begin to wear away as the wax on the jacket wears off. However, the nice thing about waxed cotton is you can always re-wax. If you've never owned a waxed cotton jacket before, don't be surprised by the fabric feeling and looking a bit damp. Now I'm 6'6" and I weigh about 240, and this is a 2XL. I'd say it fits pretty true to size, but I would definitely check the sizing and measure yourself to make sure it's gonna fit you right. Overall, the Merlin Monty jacket is an extremely high quality jacket that I really love and enjoy wearing. It's kept me warm on cold days, and since the liner is removable and the jacket has zippable venting slots built in, I've also worn it on days where it warms up a bit. I would not recommend wearing it in the middle of summer depending on the climate you live. It can get very hot. Thanks for checking out this Curly Wolf review of the Merlin Monty. I will leave links to it in the description down below. If you have any questions, comment them and I will try my best to answer them for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay safe out there.